And again, ladies and gentlemen, a yellow flag simply indicates the inspectors have made an observation. They'll meet with the meet official to make any final determinations. Hurdle crew, you can go ahead and set the track. Hurdle crew, go ahead and set the track for the girls 300-meter low hurdles. First call, boys 300-meter intermediates. First call, boys 300-meter intermediates.